Background on your superhero. Okay, you should have already logged into Chrome. And so if you're not there, go ahead and go back to that. Now you need to go to your drive. Two ways to go to your drive. You can hit the icon that looks like this. If you don't see that, let's say you're in a search engine like this, it should be at the top. So I hit drive in there. And what you want to do is create a new file. Okay, lots of things to create here, documents, presentations like a PowerPoint. Hopefully you'll be using that this year, but we want to go to drawing. So I click on drawing, and you should get this blank paper here. And what you're going to do is, first thing you want to do is insert the background. Easy enough. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go to insert image. And it's going to say, do you want to drag something here, but we want to choose an image. Hit this blue button there. I want to click on that. And then we want to go to the student drive. Now, when you click this blue arrow up here, there's several drives to go to. And one of them is 42 student on file 04, and I want to click on that. Now, eventually we're going to use some of these other folders, but you want to go all the way to the bottom to templates. Okay, we hit on templates and double click there. There we go. You're going to see Capizzo's class, some other things going on here. We want to hit art classes. I hit art classes, and you'll find a folder called superhero backgrounds. I click on that, and I'm going to go ahead and right click, show thumbnails, and here are all the backgrounds that you can choose from. And if you're doing someone flying, you could do the city there. There's some backgrounds, some a tank there. It's kind of cool, jungle, and I think this one would work the best. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to upload that, and that's going to be our first image there. You could make it a little bit bigger if you'd like to fit inside the screen. And okay, so I want to do that a little further. Okay, then I'm going to insert another image, and this time it's going to be my superhero on top of that. So I'm going to click to this, and this time I'm going to go to my part of the server, the number, the 6-digit number. I'll click on that, and I should have saved your superhero, and this one is a test, so I call it superhero test. Double click on that, and basically that's it. You now have a superhero on your planet. You can change the size of it. You can put it up high, you can put it down low. When you get to a part you like, just stop that, and I would rename it. I'm going to call this superhero. We'll give a name. Let's call him Bob, and then push OK. And then when you exit out of this, it's already saved for you. If I'm at home and I log in, you have to log into your account just like you did. But if you're at home and you hit drive, boom, there it is. There's your superhero. You can show people at home. You can print it out, do whatever you want with it. Save it for your wallpaper on your computer. But there you go.